Good afternoon, students. Welcome back again to our channel. From today, I am going to start the new chapter of our grammar. Chapter number 2. What is it? Yes, in English we have completed little steps 1, 2, 3. In that one rhyme was there about little shop, and one we can say a Lily, Billy, and Gullu. A small story was there. Then little step 4, 5, 6. We have seen the poem with the fingers, the thumbkin, pointer, tall man, ring man, and the pinky. And we have seen the story about the two best friends, that is Munni and Chunni. And we have done the reading also for the same. Now it's time to take a new chapter in the grammar book. That what is it? For learning this chapter, the chapter is very much totally easy. Nothing is there in this chapter. But if you want to learn this chapter properly, so for that you have to open your grammar workbook. Open grammar workbook in that page number 7. In that open page number 7. If you will open your workbook, easily you will come to know that what I want to explain you. So open page number 7 in your grammar workbook. Also take a pencil with you, because if 1 or 2 I will teach you, you will come to know that how to write the answers. After that you can try to write the answers also. So page number 7, chapter number 2 in grammar workbook. What is it? What is it? ये क्या है? What is it? ये क्या है? अब आप सबसे पहले नंबर 1 देख रहे हो, वहां लिखा हुआ है what is it? What is it? You can see in the picture also. ये किसकी पिक्चर है? Yes, it is a picture of an egg. आपको दिख रहा होगा किसकी पिक्चर है? एग की. तो आपको क्या करना है? ये जो it है लास्ट में, this आपको यहाँ पर लेके आना है. So it, ये जो हमारा फिर is लिखा हुआ है, हम अभी is यूज क्यों कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज यहाँ पर अभी हम इसी एक चीज की बात कर रहे हैं. So it is, क्या लिखेंगे? It is an egg, and you have to put a full stop at the last. What we have to write? It is an egg. It is an egg. Now यहाँ पर n कहाँ पे आ गया सर? हमने चलो ठीक है it first कर दिया. Is the second now, because we are talking about only one single thing. At that time we are using is in a singular. एक वचन में हम लोग इस यूज करते हैं, જ્યારે बहुवचन है ત્યારે हम लोग आर यूज करते हैं. तो इट इज एन एग. एंड व्हाई वी हैव यूज्ड? बिकॉज हियर द ई इज अ, yes, e is a vowel. That's why the front of vowel we are using the article n. So we have to give answer. It is an egg. It is simple. Now next picture, again the same question is written in your book. What is it? What is it? Now the two brackets are also given to you. The two brackets are also given to you, clock and picture. So just see and let me know कि क्या कौन सी पिक्चर है ये? Yes, किसकी है? क्लॉक की. So what we will write? It is a clock. What we will write? It is a clock. Full stop beta we have to keep at the completion of the sentence, and first letter always capital you have to write. जो first letter होता है वो आपको capital लिखना है, and last में आपको full stop लगाना है. And here the same thing only we have to done. It हमारा last में था तो first हो गया. Then here is, here we have used a because C is a consonant. That's why we have used article a. अब आप लोग बेटा पेज टर्न करेंगे अपना, तो आपको थर्ड पिक्चर किसकी दी हुई है? What is it? What question it is? What is it? Again same question. Yes, अब किसकी पिक्चर दी हुई है बेटा हम लोगों को? Yes, it is table or a chair. Yes, it is a table. So what we will write? It is a table. What we will write? 8 is a table. क्या लिखा हम लोगों ने? 8 is a table. आप मालूम पड़ गया अभी यहाँ पर हमने a क्यों यूज किया? Because the t is a consonant. Here the t is a consonant. Yes, it is very easy chapter, right? बहुत इजी चैप्टर है. अब हमारा फिर से 4th नंबर सेम क्वेश्चन. What is 8? Now the picture of any bird is given. बताओ बेटा कौन सा बर्ड है? दिस इज स्पैरो और आउल. किसकी पिक्चर है? यस, आउल की. तो क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग? 8 is owl. Okay, चलो दिस इज करेक्ट ओनली. करेक्ट है बेटा ये आंसर? नो, दिस इज नॉट अ करेक्ट आंसर बिकॉज हियर द आर्टिकल वी हैव नॉट केप्ट. 8 is an owl. 8 is an owl. We have to write. Here we have to use. We have used article an because o is a vowel. O is a vowel. Yes, interesting chapter, very easy chapter it is. Again same that question. What is it? What is it? Yes, the next picture is of ink pot and the flower vase. Two options are given. Ink pot and the flower vase. So yes, it is a picture of what? Ink pot. So what you will write? 8 is an ink pot. What you will write? 8 is an ink pot. Only the thing which you have to do, you have to observe the picture carefully. Then you have to see into the brackets. आपको picture देखनी है, आपको brackets देखने हैं. You have to select the name of that picture. वो picture का नाम select करना है. And in this way you have to write. Only 8 will come first. Then is here the article according to the first letter you have to use. Very simple topic it is. Now let's see more examples. Examples are there on the page number 11. So open now page number 11. Rest of the all 20 examples are there. You have to give the answer like only it is an, it is a. Likewise you have to give the answer. On page number 11 you can see the question number 2. The heading was written चित्र जुओ અને yes અને no નો ઉપયોગ કરી उत्तर આપો. चित्र जुओ અને yes અને no નો उपयोग करी उत्तर आपो. अब सबसे फर्स्ट नंबर हमको दिख रहा है बेटा वहां पर. हियर इट इज. वहां पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? इट इज अ बुक. इट इज अ बुक. क्या ये बुक है? आपको बेटा पिक्चर दिख रही है वहां पर. तो क्या वो बुक की पिक्चर है? नो, वो बुक की पिक्चर नहीं है. तो व्हाट यू विल राइट? नो, इट is. What you will write? Yes, no, it is not. No, it is not. तो बेटा क्या है? It is a bag. It is a bag. वो क्या है? बैग है. बट हम क्वेश्चन में क्या बोले कि क्या वो बुक है? तो we have to give answer no, it is not. No, it is not. बेटा इट इज जहाँ पे आपको इज नॉट दिख रहा है, फॉर दिस यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑल्सो दैट इज इजंट. यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज द शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑल्सो ऑफ इज नॉट दैट इज इजंट. आप इजंट लिखोगे कि इज नॉट लिखोगे, बोथ आर करेक्ट ओनली. दिस इज ओनली द शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द फॉर इज नॉट. सो इट इज अ बुक. नो, इट इज नॉट. इट इज अ बैग. वो बैग है. Now turn your page, come on the next page number 12. Now what is written? It is a bus. It is a bus. क्या ये बस है? तो what will give answer? Yes, it is a bus. ये क्या है? बस है. Yes, it is a bus. Yes, it is a bus. Now moving to third number. You can see in the book also. बेटा बुक में आपको किसकी पिक्चर दी हुई है? एप्पल की. What the question they are asking? 8 is a mango. It is a mango. क्या वो mango है बेटा? तो what you will write? No, it is not. No, it is not. So what it is? Yes, it is an apple. It is an apple. Here again we use article because A is a vowel. So I hope you understood this short form also you have to keep in mind. Let's see two examples more. Now the fourth number, you are having a picture of owl. It is an owl. So yes, what answer you will give? Yes, it is an owl. Yes, ये owl है. Then last example we are seeing fifth number. Yes, you are having a picture of the elephant. You are having picture of an elephant. So what it is written? It is a horse. It is a horse. What answer you will give? No, it is not. No, it is not. So what you will write? क्या है बेटा वो? Elephant. तो it is an elephant. It is an elephant. So I hope you understood about how to give the answer by using yes or no. And the first topic also you have to see in the bracket. You have to select the correct spelling from the bracket and you have to give the answer. So whatever doubt, if you have any confusion you are having related to this video, you can ask from me on the online session. Thank you and have a nice day.